Hello, everybody. I'm Debbie Indahar-Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my weekly update. I'm dressed in black. Today's Memorial Day. I just got done attending the Memorial Day celebration ceremony at the city of Milpitas. It's always great to see the mayor and the council members there and all the veterans, and that we get to honor our fallen soldiers that have served here to keep our country free. So don't want to forget that. But anyway, great news. I've got lots of inventory coming up, especially this weekend. So before I share that, the open houses, I'd like to elaborate a little bit on what happened at the 1627 Starlite Drive Milpitas open house that I had this weekend, a few days ago. It's the second weekend open, and we had 10 families through. So on a holiday weekend, that's really good. What I'm finding holding an open house during a holiday weekend is that the buyers are very serious. So I had a lot of conversations with buyers, potential buyers, and was happy to show off that home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in the Pines area, new carpet, new paint in and out. All the termite work's been done. It really staged and really looks nice. Price point on that is $1,698,888. The offer deadline is actually tomorrow. So I'll be able to share with you next week if we were able to get a good buyer for that property or what the status might be for that one. So let's talk about what we're going to do this weekend. I'm really excited about this new inventory I've got to show. I put them on MLS today. The first one is 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose. That's in the Berryessa area. That'll be open Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. Price point on that is $1,998,888. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,577 square feet for the main house. But the nice thing about this property is it's got an ADU, which is a 312 square foot building in the back, an additional dwelling unit. It can be used as a rental property. It can be used for extended family members, whatever you might want to use that for. It's been fully remodeled, so the property shows great. So you've got a total of about 1,900 square feet for the two properties, and this is priced right below $2 million. So I think we're doing good on that one. And then 1679 Everglades Drive in Milpitas, that will be open this Saturday and Sunday, also from 2 to 4. This is in the Parktown area, great established neighborhood in Milpitas. It's 2 blocks away from the Senate Elementary School, so it's walking distance. Senate Elementary is the #1 school in Milpitas, and it's really close to the other school, which is the Rancho Junior High. The nice thing about this home, they expanded the dining area way out, so they made like an additional dining room, family room area. But the kitchen is gorgeous. It's got an island in the middle. It's all been updated. About 8 or 9 years ago was the actual updating. There's a skylight. You have high-end appliances in that property. It's really a custom kitchen, one of the best I've seen that I've listed. And the price point on this one is $1,598,888. We're expecting hopefully multiple offers on that property. And so come by and see that this weekend also. And then the other one I have for sale is in Fremont. Just met the sellers yesterday. We finished the paperwork. It's at 42530 Charleston Way in Fremont. It's 2 doors down from the other listing that I sold last month on Charleston Way. This one is a 3-bedroom, only 1 bath, but it's really nicely laid out. There's room to add an additional bedroom or bathroom. There's an extended patio room in the back. So you've got a total living square footage of about 1,400 square feet. This one has been fully remodeled, brand new kitchen, all new laminate floor, new paint. Shows very, very nice. We'll be staging that in a couple days. And like I said, the price point on this one is $1,248,888. I'm closing the other one this week on Charleston Way, the other one down the street. That is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 1,500 square feet, and I'm closing that one at 1.7. So that's really exciting. So we should do well with this Charleston one. It will also be open Saturday, Sunday from 2 to 4. And then I just put back on the market the duplex last week that I had listed a couple months earlier. That's at 520-522 Wool Drive. They're 2-bedroom, 1 bath on each side of the unit. There's individual garages. The total square footage is around 17 to 1750 square feet for the 2 units combined. They have garages. This particular unit, the seller just finished doing a new roll-up garage door, all new stonework in the front. So the exterior looks a lot better, and we thought it was better now to bring it back up on the market. So the price point on that is $1,450,000. I'm scheduling a open house, just a 2-hour open house, because both our units are occupied, and that'll be this coming Sunday from 11:30 to 1:30. Both units will be open and available to view. So, I've got a duplex coming up for sale in Milpitas. That's on Chupon Drive. We're waiting to see what the inspections come out this week, and then we'll be able to set a price on that one. This one is a really, really neat property. They're both units on each side, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And so you have a combined aggregate sum of the 2 dwelling units of around 3,300 to 3,400 square feet. So there can be standalone units for 2 families. It can be extended family, or again, you can live in one, rent out the other, or they're currently both being rented, and the seller wants to now cash in and not become a landlord anymore. So take advantage of this particular property. It's going to be a great one. And then I've got 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas coming up. That's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, extended master bedroom, brand new kitchen, huge lot, 10,000 square foot lot. This particular property is about 1,529 square feet, and we've priced it at $1,698,888. Sellers are getting prepared to relocate. Once that happens, I'll be able to prep the property, stage it, get it ready for the market. So we'll be showing that. I have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Milpitas coming up. Just waiting to hit the green light with the sellers when they're ready to go on that one. I had listed it last year, and we didn't need to pull it off the market. So it will be coming back. And then I've got a beautiful Chappelle home coming up for sale in Hillcrest, 2116 Blue Ridge Drive in Milpitas. It's 2,150 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Once the seller moves out, hopefully it'll be another week or so, maybe this week. I've got the key, and I'll get it prepped. We're going to paint it in and out, do some all-new flooring, get it cleaned up, do new landscaping in front, make it really nice, and stage it. That'll be a really great one. Price point on that is $2,398,888. By the way, that's in the Senate Elementary School. And then I have another Parktown home coming up, 1886 Shenandoah Avenue in Milpitas. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,100 square feet. So it's a starter home. This one's also in Senate Elementary School. And that one will be priced at $1,498,888. So we're not too busy to get yours ready. Please give me a call, 408-945-8988. Love to meet you, talk to you, come see your property, and we can get a game plan together on what we need to do to get you ready for this amazing market. So talk to you soon, and see you next week. Bye-bye.